Hey guys, welcome back in my channel. I am Priyanka. Hope you all are doing well. So it's a Holi and it is my favorite festival. I love Holi very much. So I have a small get together Holi party. So I thought that I just do like a Holi look and show it to you guys. So even you all can try this. Holi पे ज़्यादा मेकअप अच्छा नहीं लगता बट अच्छा भी लगता है because it's a colorful festival. So let's see and let's get start. Keep watching till end. First moisturize your face very well because it's a holy time and your skin needs lots of moisturizer. So I am using Nivea daily moisturizer. So it's a very good and little bit sticky but it's a very good moisturizer. Most important part is sunscreen. I am using UV Smart SPF 40 which is very good. I am going to apply this on my neck, on my ears. So please apply your sunscreen. I am using primer and my primer is from Color Bar. It's a gel based primer, so apply in a very little amount. I am using long wear foundation because it's a whole time, so my makeup is waterproof. So I am using Maybelline foundation. I just want to natural look, so I will not use so much. I am using Color Bar Beauty Blender for blending my foundation. This is my concealer and it's from Maybelline. For set my concealer and foundation, I am using compact. It's also from a Maybelline and I am using brush for set my concealer. For fill my brows, I am using Wet n Wild eyebrows palette. It's a good palette, so I am using. I am using Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I am using skin shade and very light paint because my dress is white and the dupatta is a multi-shade color, so all will look sad together. For create my grease and using spoon, it is very easy and quick trick. I am using Faces Canada Kajal, and I will apply in under waterline, and don't apply in a whole waterline because it's a holy time and look बहुत अच्छा नहीं आ रहा, so don't apply on your whole eyes. My pencil liner is from Maybelline. It's a good pen liner and very easy to apply. It's a Maybelline Sensational Mascara. It's a very thick and very jet black dark, so it's a very nice. I love so much. I'm using blush from MAC. It's a natural pink. It's a nice blush. I love it. My favorite time is the highlighting time, so it's also from Maybelline. It's a very soft and smooth highlighter. lipstick time, and I'm using lip liner, and the lip shade is from Blue Heavens Elegance. It's a very nice and matte lip shade. It will take 2 seconds and for dry. After that it will be long lasting. I love color and very nice pigmentation. So guys, I am ready with my makeup. Just want to add my footwears, my accessories, and I will be right back to and show you my complete look. So guys, I am ready for my Holi party, and this is my complete look. I am all set for Holi party. So I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you like it and try this look. Let me know in the comment section below. So also you please be safe, okay, and please use sunscreen. It's a very important, and apply oil all over body. So please be safe and enjoy Holi. Happy Holi to all of you. See you soon. Bye.